Are you looking for the best car wash kits? I have compiled a list of top 4 best car wash kits this year. These are handpicked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Miguels Complete Car Care Kit. The Miguels Complete Car Care Kit has virtually everything you need to thoroughly clean your vehicle. It includes shampoo and conditioner to remove dirt and contaminants, and a blended carnauba and polymer liquid wax that protects the paint and produces a deep shine. The kit also has quick detailer sprays for the interior and exterior, as well as a clay bar to eliminate surface defects. Other items include a scratch remover, plastic cleaner and polish, microfiber wash mitt, microfiber towels, and soft foam applicator pads. It's easy to clean both the inside and outside of your vehicle, including the wheels. Overall, this is an excellent kit for those who are learning about detailing and need basic products to get a long-lasting shine. While this kit seems a little pricey, it's worth the investment because it includes so many products. However, there have been some complaints that the Scratch X isn't the best and only works for small blemishes. Also, the microfiber towels and applicator pads won't last very long, and you'll need to purchase extra for subsequent cleanings. Number 2. Chemical Guys 16-Piece Arsenal Builder Wash Kit. If money is no object, the Chemical Guys 16-Piece Arsenal Builder Wash Kit is one heck of a way to treat your car to the best cleaning of its life. The kit comes shipped in a wash bucket that includes a grit guard to keep you from spreading dirt around while you wash. Naturally, you get car wash soap, a wash mitt, and even a few detailing towels to get you started. You also get a special absorbent drying towel and a foam cannon like the pros use. After a thorough wash, you can use the liquid wax to leave a beautiful shine, and the quick detailer is great for between wash touch-ups. You'll also find a wheel cleaner and a high-quality tire dressing inside the bucket. A cleaning brush and a foam applicator are also included. Even though this is an excellent and comprehensive car wash kit, the bucket is vulnerable to damage from impact. As long as you store it in a safe spot and don't step on it, the entire kit is sure to last. Number 3. Armor All Premier Car Care Kit. We like the Armor All Premier Car Care Kit because it's a fairly comprehensive kit at a relatively low price. It includes Shine Wash and Wax that cleans and protects, ammonia-free glass cleaner designed specifically for automotive purposes, and protectant that eliminates dust and dirt and prevents fading and cracking. Other items in the kit include multi-purpose cleaner, wheel and tire cleaner, tire shine, air fresheners, and a wash pad. The kit contains nearly everything you need to maintain your ride so it's clean and shiny. The products don't produce strong, offensive odors, and they're packaged in individual zip-locked bags to protect them during shipping. One downside is that if you wash your car regularly, you will go through the items rather quickly. The kit also lacks a leather conditioner. Number 4. Armor All Cleaning Wipes. When you're too busy for a complete car wash, Armor All Cleaning Wipes are awesome to have around. This set comes with 3 different cleaners, each meant to address a different need. The glass cleaner wipes down your windows, cutting through grime efficiently. It leaves behind a streak-free surface. The cleaning wipes let you scrub away any grime on the car. There are enough wipes, 30 in each container, to wipe down the whole car or just spot clean. Finally, the protectant is meant to go over the clean vehicle. It offers a layer of wax-like protection that keeps the car from getting dirtier. When all 3 wipes are used together, this cleaning kit is both effective and efficient. It conserves water while both cleaning and preventing further messes.